So today we're gonna get rid of the junk and we're gonna update our entryway. We're gonna give it an updated look with a farmhouse flair and some fresh flowers for summer.
So to start out, we're gonna move all this old stuff. Some of this will be coming back in, but we're gonna clear this out, and then I've got an old mine trough thing that they use for hauling out the slurry.
Slurry cart.
Slurry
Look
cart,
at this.
that's what we're calling
This
it.
is what we do when our hoses break.
Eliza's cabbage. Alright, so we've been using this for a planter in the backyard for tomatoes, but we didn't grow any tomatoes this year. They didn't do good last year. It was too hot.
Also, the chickens, they like this, so tomatoes wouldn't have survived.
We're going to add a little more soil here. So we're just using Miracle Grow, the garden soil all-purpose. It works great for these flowers up here in Utah.
So this plant is totally root bound, so hopefully it doesn't die. And what by root bound I mean the roots are crazy town. So I'm just gonna kind of break it up on the bottom. And there are things you can like dip your plants in before you transplant them. We don't have that. I'm gonna break it up on the bottom and then I'm gonna go ahead and set it down. I haven't decided where I'm going to do all of these yet, so I'm just going to set it and then I'll plant it once I lay it all out. So I'm probably way overfilling this, but I want it to be nice and full. And so by overfilling it, I can come back in later and pull things out and transplant them somewhere else, but then it looks good right from the get-go. So you want to think about height. These ones and these ones will kind of get tall and they might eventually compete, but these ones and these ones, the petunias and these lantanas, they're ground cover, so they'll kind of cascade out and cover the ground, so that's why they're going in the very front. All right, so we have these blue salvias. They say plant 3 together, so we'll plant 3 of these really close together. We're gonna put 3 here, 6 in the middle, and 3 on the other side, and that'll fill in our whole planter bed.
Like 3 just all together?
Oh, that's what the thing says. Grow 3 together. So hopefully we don't kill all these plants. I've been able to keep the lavender and the pansies alive, so I'm thinking I might be able to keep those ones.
Yeah, I think we're good. I mean, we're gonna water them, they're gonna get sun. If they die,
we'll buy new ones.
It's really all we can do.
It's good farmhouse style. We're gonna slowly be adding some more flowers and more touches to our front yard, so be sure to hit that notifications button and share with your friends if they're looking for a way to incorporate their farmhouse style into their front yard with reclaimed planters. We've got these old tubs as well as a crock, and then a mine cart. Maybe you don't have access to a mine cart, but think outside the box and think of ways you can use existing pieces to add a farmhouse element to your front yard garden.
And this would be pretty easy to just build like a trough. Even if you were just doing square, you don't have to have like the tapered ends.
Easy for you.
It's like 8 boards if you do it on your own.
Be sure to give us a thumbs up, give us any questions or comments below, any tips for growing a good flower garden, and subscribe to Jami Ray Vintage for more DIY.